How to fix Axis Bank credit card not working. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Axis Bank credit card not working. First, ensure that your credit card has not reached its credit limit. You can check this through the Axis Bank mobile app, internet banking, or by calling customer service. Make sure that you are entering the correct card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV for online transactions. Now, examine your credit card for any visible damage, such as a scratched chip or a worn-out magnetic stripe. If damaged, contact Axis Bank for a replacement card. If you are having trouble with ATM transactions, consider resetting your PIN via the Axis Bank mobile app, internet banking, or by visiting an ATM. If the card still isn't working, contact Axis Bank customer support. They can check if there's an issue with your account or if your card has been blocked due to suspicious activity. If your card is not working online or with a digital wallet, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes, bank systems undergo maintenance. Check Axis Bank's official website or email for any maintenance notifications that might be affecting card services.